Investing versus perfect edge. Oops. Down ball.
Gusto ko yung chicken. Ano sa akin?
Perfect. Perfect age.
Number 56. Number 56 steal by number 35. Foul by number 56.
Foul na.
First personal.
Number 56. First personal foul. First team foul. Number 2. Pass to number 41. Back to number 35. 35 pass to number 12. Number 12 to boys. No good. Rebound by number 56. 56. Ruling the ball. Pass to number 99. Pass to number 56. 56. Alley-oop to number 13. Number 13. 2 points by number 13. Number 12. Pass to the steal by number 56. 56. Pass to number 12. Number 12 all the way. No good. Rebound by number 12. Pass to number 2. De Leon. Back to number 12. Number 12. Shooting the ball, pass to number 2. Number 2, pass to number 35. 35. Number 35. Tapping. Foul. And 1. Number 35, basket count. Foul number 13.
13. Yes, 13. Basket 2 points.
Basket.
No. Ay, sa event.
May number 13 ba?
Ah.
One shot, basket. Number 56. Pass number 13, one set. Coming pass to number 12, number 12 for 3. No good, rebound by number 12. Number 12, pass to number 35. Number 35, attacking all the way. No good. Rebound by number 56. Number 56, pass to number 13. 2 points by number 13. Number 35. Number 35. Foul and 1. Foul, number 99.
First personal.
Number 99, first personal foul, second team foul. Substitution them.
Sinong labas? Sinong lalabas?
99 out, 31 team.
31?
31.
Number 1, dito po kayo sa bench. Sa bench po kayo sa bench. One shot, number 30. One shot, basket. Score, 6-4. In favor of investing. Number 56, shooting the ball.
3 points.
3 points by number 56. Number 9. Pass to number 35. 35. Pass to number 12. Number 12. Perimeter shot. Technical.
Clapping.
Bawat po kumalakpak. Number 31. Technical.
Kasama ba sa foul? Kasama.
Ah. Technical.
Technical foul number 31.
First personal.
First personal foul.
Third team foul.
Ball shot, no good. Score. Remaining time 6 minutes. Number 2. Nate, pass to number 35. 35. Pass to number 12. Pass to number 41. 41. No good. Rebound by number 13. Pass to number 56. 56. Behind back. Pass. Steal by number 35. Number 35. Number 35. Pass to number 32. Leave. Basket by number 2. Number 56. Pass to number 12, no good. Rebound by number 31, pass number 21, 21 pass number 12, number 12, no good. 41, number 41, rebound by number 41, 41, pass number 35, number 20, foul. Foul number 56. Number 56, second personal foul, warning for penalty. Number 2, pass number 9. Begonia, pass number 12, Bacarosa. Still, pass number 41. No good. Rebound by number 13. Number 13, foul. Foul by number 9. First personal foul, second team foul. Substitution, rep, substitution, rep,
Out 56.
Number 14, number 56, out.
Score 8-7.
Ah.
Number 4, Ludereso, pass to number 30, back to number 4, number 12. Then Nuno, pass to number 4, 4-3. Points by Ludereso. Number 35, attacking. No, rebound by number 13, number 13, pass to number 12, number 12, all alone, number 12, blocked by number 41. Score 10-8 in favor of perfect in smash repair. Remaining time 3 minutes and 40 seconds. Number 13. Number 13. Still number 13. Pass number 12. Del Mundo. Still by number 35. Number 35. Number 35. Pass number 2. Number 2. Open shot. Basket by number 2. Score all 10. Bottom 10. Number 13. 4-3. Short. Rebound by number 12. Bacaresa, pass to number 25. 25. Still. Number 2. Number 2 side. Good. Number 9. Boarding house, no good. Number 4. Number 4, beautiful Ludereso. Pass to number 92, no good. Out of bounds. Perfect control. Time out.
Perfect.
Perfect edge. Smash repair. Score all 10 in favor of 10. Maybe time 2 minutes and 25 seconds. Back to the ball game. Score. Number 24. Inbound the pass to Ludereso. 4-3. Babagang kamay. 6 points by Ludereso. Number 35. 35, the ball. Pass to number 9, Begonia. 4-2, no good. Rebound by number 30. Pass to number 24. Aguin. 2 points by Aguin. All the way. Score 15-10 in favor of perfect edge. Number 35. Pass to Begonia, number 9, back to number 41, back to 1, number 12, Bacarosa, 35-4-3, no good. Rebound by number 12, on 21. Pass to number 31, steal by number 9, Begonia, number 35, pass to out. Minute time, 50 seconds. Ludereso, dribbling the ball. Number 4, Ludereso. Pass to number 13, back to number 4, Ludereso. Ludereso for 3. No good. Rebound by number 9, Begonia. Number 25. Number 41, dribbling the ball. Number 41, pass to number 1. Number 1, 2 points by number 1. 24. Next time, 15 seconds. Dribbling the ball. 24. 10 seconds. Number 13. Pass to number 4. Leso. Oh, still number 1. 5. Pass to number 4. 35. No good. Nakakamit. Sana nakakamit sa time na nakakamit. 15 grabs the score. 15 perfect hits for Bugatti. Score 15-12 in favor of perfect hit. And the first quarter.
We should have buzzer. May buzzer ba? Wala.
Wala nga ang sound eh.
May sound yan eh. Should have buzzer.
Yung TV ba nakakonect sa speaker? Dapat ata yung TV connect sa speaker.
Hindi ko natin sounds eh.
Kasi nga,
Hindi, dapat tutulog rin dito. Hindi ko naman nakakonect. Ay, hindi yung cellphone ni Kuya Ron pala.
tablet yung nakakonect sa TV eh.
Dapat
Second quarter.
Lagay tayo sa pang speaker.
Basketball game.
Sa monitor.
Who's ball? Investing ball.
Dehado tayo dyan, mamateknikan ako.
Ato, lagi bola.
Start of the second quarter. Score 15-12. Perfect catch. Number 2. 2 points. No good. Third one pass to number 13. Pass to number 12. Leso goes over attacking. Floater. No good. Rebound by number 13. Number 13. 2 points. No good. Rebound by number Black by number 41. Number 9 man pass to Leso. Leso taking the shot. Floater shot. Basket by Leso. Score 17-12 in favor of perfect catch. Smash retail. Leso with 8 points. Number 35, pass number 12. Number 12 for 3. No good. Rebound by number 2. Ball up number 41. Back to number 12. Number 12 pass number 1. Number 1. Reverse no good. Number 13. Number 13. Out of bounds. Investing ball. Number 2. Pass number 41. Pass number 12. Number 12. Basket by number 12. Because Bata is at number 12. 2 points. Number 4. Leso. Pass to Green. Number 24. Number 24. Agreed. Looking forward. Pass to number 99. Number 99. No good. Rebound by number 35. Pass to number 12. Pass to De Leon. De Leon attacking. No good. Rebound by number 1. Number 1. Open shot. 2 points by number 1. Number 24. Agreed attacking. Agreed. No good. Rebound by number 13. Reverse. No good. Rebound by number 35. 35. Number 35. Attacking. Pass to number 2. De Leon fake. Pass to number 35. Basket by number 35. Score 18-17 in favor of Investing. Number 4. Pass to number 13. Pass to number 4. Number 4 Leso. Leso to number 13. Number 13 fake. Attacking number 13. No good. Rebound by number 41. Pass to number 35. 2 on play. 35. Pass to number 2. Basket. Time out. Perfect. And score 20-17 in favor of Investing.
Bakit ang tuwiran? Ensin. Yun. Sa payment yan.
Oo, tama.
Time out, YouTube Music. 20.
Back to the ball game. Playing time, 6 minutes and 20 seconds. Score 20-17 in favor of Investing. Pass number 56, number 56, side step, floater, no good. Rebound by number 56, pass to number 4. Number 4 touching, pass number 21, free throw line, basket by number 21. 1 point lead by Investing. Number 2. Number 2, pass to number 35. 35, pass to number 9. Pass to number 41, back to number 9. Number 9. No good. Rebound by number 56. 56 to the ball. Attacking number 56, pass to number 24. Out of bounds. 5 minutes. Number 2, pass to number 35. Out of bounds and back to back out of bounds to Lions. Number 4, pass to number 24. 24, pass to number 4, Lodeso. Back to number 24, back to number 56. 56 for 3. No goal. Rebound by number 25. 25 pass to number 2, De Leon. De Leon on the way. No goal. Rebound by 25. No goal. Back to De Leon. Basket by De Leon.
22-19, tama? 2-19. Tama.
Inteso dribbling the ball, make time 4 minutes and 15 seconds. Number 24, Agreed. Agreed still, and number 2, out of bounds. Shout out to Zap. Zap, shout out. Shout out to Irene. Shout out to Zero Zap. Number 56. 56, pass to Udeso. Udeso, back to number 56. 56, pass to Udeso. Udeso for 3. 3 balls by Udeso. Score all 22. 11 points, Udeso. Udeso, pass to number 35, pass to number 1. Udeso, pass to Begonia, fake. Foul. Foul, number 24. Number 24, that is your first personal foul, first team foul. First set, no good. Nangihingas sa Begonia ngayon. Second attempt. Second attempt, basket. Number 56. Dribbling the ball, 56. Complete lead by Investing.
Kailan? 5% na lang to. Malulubot na. 5%.
Number 56.
Paano to?
26. Black by number 41, 35. 35, pass to number 35. Basket by number 35.
5%. Alin?
Mawawala yan, dapat i-charge ka.
Hindi ba ito nakakonik sa ano? Sa Bluetooth? Nakakonik yan.
Oo, yung sa TV nakakonik yan eh. I-announce mo na lang yun.
Yan na siya. Habang nag-charge na sa dali.
Charge na muna lang pa. Announce na lang mo yung scoring time.
Running time, running time.
2 minutes and 15 seconds. Number 56.
Pass number 24, 21. 2 points basket by number 21. Score 25-24 in favor of investing.
Tapos balik mo na lang fourth quarter. Para makita nila.
Number 2.
Foul number 13.
Official score 24-25.
Foul the number 13, di palit. Sub. Wala.
Nandito kasi naka-charge yung iPad. Ina-announce na namin yung time.
Babalik na lang ako mamaya.
Number 13. Yung nasa loob.
Official time. Official time. Stop time, 1:30. Stop time.
Nalobat kasi eh.
Nalobat mo yung
Number 4.
30.
13. 24. 21.
score 25-24 in favor of investing. 1 minute, remaining time 1 minute and 30 seconds.
Good na nga, good.
Go na.
Ah.
Okay. No, second personal foul. Second team foul, sorry.
Back to the game. Number 2. Number 2.
Attacking pass to number 1 basket. Score 27-24, remaining time 1 minute and 17 seconds. Number 4, Ernesto. Number 13, number 4, Ernesto.
Mag-itim mo na lang lagi yung oras.
Back to number 56. Number 24. Pass to number 13. Pass to number 21. No good. Rebound by number 41. 1 minute. 1 minute for time. Number 2. Pass to number 1. Number 1. Pass to number 35. Half time. 2 points by number 35.
Score.
Score 29-24.
That's over 3. No good. Number 35. Rebound. 40 seconds. 40. Score 29-24.
Lead by investing.
Number 2. 30 seconds. Number 35, pass to number 1. Number 1, pass to number 1. Outbound. Second, remaining time 15 seconds.
15 seconds.
15 seconds.
10 seconds, Shankar. 10 seconds. 5 seconds. 2, 1. End of the second quarter. Score 29-24 in favor of investing.
Check mo ilang percent.
Charge nyo 6% pa lang. Kaka-charge nyo lang. Gamitin natin yung ano? Ano eh? Yung... Oo, pwedeng gamitin natin yun. Andun ba yung ano yung... Yung ano yung parang nasa box, yung orange. Sa loob.
It's always low back.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, so I need to put the charger instead of the connection.
Charge mo muna, may natin ibabalik. 319. 319. So we got that one. Hop on.
Go now.
Yeah,
Go now.
the arm is here, so change.
Wait.
Baka gamitin na yan para
Perfect edge.
Wait.
Gonna use the big one.
9 na ba yan? 9 na ba yan? Ay, umikot. 9 na yan, wala.
Di ba? Isa ba? Yan.
Again, special shout out to Sam. from Rainier Adonis Bustamante.
Third quarter na, di ba?
So, score.
Ano? 24-29.
Light. Simple light. 29 yung 24 yung light. Diba? Light yung orange, diba?
Segundo. Yan. Oh, good.
All right, back to the ball game. Third quarter, perfect H1.
Sino nasa loob? Perfect H. Sino yung mga players?
Sino?
Ay, mag-report dito yung papasok.
Yung papasok ko, mag-report ko dito kasi nilalagay ko sa computer natin para sa NBA stats natin. Kasi po sa betting online, malaki mo kailangan.
Yung FIBA stats.
Nasa, perfect H1. Score 29-24. That's the ball game. Number 12, pass to number 56. Number 56, pass to number 99. Number 99 for 3. No good. Out of bounds. Perfect H1.
Dapat pala pag in-video dapat nila discreet kung sina-charge natin.
Oo. Kaya pag
Sorry, interesting ball. Sorry. Number 2, De Leon. De Leon. De Leon, 34. Pass to number 41. Number 41. Pass to number 35. 35. Pass to number 2 for 3. 3 points by number 2, De Leon.
32-24 naman. 8-point lead.
32-24, 8-point lead by Investing. Number 12. Pass to number 31. Pass to number 50.
Bakit ka highlights agad?
Pass to number 31. The first one. Attacking. No good. Rebound by number 13. No good again. Rebound by number 12. De Leon. De Leon. De Leon. Pass to number 12. Number 12. Pass to number 35. Foul. Foul number 12. Number 12. First personal foul. First team foul. Number 12. Number 12 for 3. 3 points by Bacaresa. Number 56. Pass to number 99. Number 99 foul. No good. Rebound by number 35. Number 35. Number 35 attacking all the way. Basket by number 35. Number 12. Number 12 for 3. No good. Rebound by number 13. Out of bounds. Perfect H1. Many times. 7 minutes and 42 seconds. Number 31. Number 31. Dribbling ball. Pass to number 56. 56. 56 time buster. Dribbling. 2 points by number 13. Number 2. Pass number 9. Gloria. No good. Rebound by number 31. Pass to number 56. 56. 56. Dribble ball. 56. 56. Crossover pass to number 13. Basket. 9-point lead. Number 2. Out of bounds. Perfect pitch ball. Number 36 by number 31, number 35. Basket by number 35. Score 39-28 in favor of Investing.
11-point lead.
Well done. No good. Rebound by number 41. 41 pass number 35. 35 attacking pass number 41. No good. Rebound by number 41. Foul. Is foul red? Number 99. Number 99, second personal foul, second team foul. Substitution, rep. Sub. Number 21 in, number 99 out.
Wait.
First shot, basket.
Bawal. Second.
Next shot, rep.
Second shot. No good. Rebound by number 41. 41. No good. Rebound by number 31. 56. Number 56 attacking. Out now. Substitution rep. Number 56 out. Number 14. Score 14-28 in favor of Investing. Number 4, Ildeso, fading 3. Pass number 12 for 3, no good. Rebound by number 21. 21 pass to Ildeso. Ildeso game for 3. No good. Rebound by Pavaresa. Pass to number 41. Number 41. Pass to number 2. Leon pass to number 41. Begonia. No good pa rin. 41 basket. Score 42-28 in favor of Investing.
14-point lead.
Any time, 4 minutes and 15 seconds.
Number 31.
31. Pass to number 4. Ildeso. Pass to number 31. 31 for 3. No good. Rebound by number 12. Number 12. No good. Rebound by number 41. Number 2. De Leon attacking all the way back on. Out of bounds. Substitution rep. Number 1 out. Another player out. Number 1 in.
Kabila, si 24 siya.
Number 4, Ildeso, moving the ball. Pass on Green. And Green for 3. Number 11, number 13. Green. Number 13, Ponce. Ponce, number 1, number 41. Number 41. Pass to number 2, De Leon.
Dami offensive rebound ng perfect H. Hindi na shoot.
De Leon. Pass to number 35. Number 35. Number 35, pass number 2, De Leon, pass number out of bounds. 3 minutes. Number 24. Number 24, Bill, pass number 4, Ildeso. Ildeso, fake. 3 points by Ildeso. Ildeso, 14 points. Number 35, pass to number 41. 41, pass to number 35. 35, pass to number 2. De Leon. Number 35, pass to number 1. Rebound by Ildeso. Ildeso, pass to number 3. No good. Rebound by Green. Green, 2 points by Green. Score 44-33 in favor of Investing. 41. Dropping without pass ball. 42-33 in favor of Investing. Game time. 1 minute and 45 seconds. I believe. No good. Number 41. Number 2. Rebound by number 2. Number 2. Leon to the ball. Steal by number 13. Pass number 4. Ildeso.
just not number 13, number 13 for 3. No good. Block. Out.
Perfect control. Mental. 1 minute and 5 seconds.
1.8 by Justin. Number 12, number 3, number 1, number 1, number 2.
Pass number 35. Napakabilis mo. Number 35 all the way. Basket. 50 seconds. Ildeso. Pass. Attacking. On the way.
No good. Rebound by number. Oh, rebound no way. Out.
Wow.
Missing ball.
25 seconds. Foul.
Foul number 24. Number
24. Second personal foul. 13 foul.
number 35.
5 seconds. 4. End of the third quarter. Score 44-33 in favor of Inglesin.
Yeah. Kailangan nung maliit na cellphone para sa shot lock.
Sino mag-shot lock?
Yung maliit na cellphone, may maliit na cellphone dyan. Okay, pwede naman dyan. Yan na lang gamitin mo. Para may 14 seconds ka din. Hindi ka mahirapan mag-pitch.
Fourth quarter, meron na tayong shot out. Meron na tayong shot out sa fourth quarter.
Then stop time lang po tayo sa 3 minutes. 3 minutes stop time. Ito yung shot out. Ewan, fourth quarter.
Kaya mo ma.
Wala. Para naman ng 15 points.
Pag naman na 15 points, dire-diretso, walang stop time.
Third quarter pala niya.
Fourth quarter. Investing ball. 15 seconds shot clock. Number 25, pass number 12. Barresa, number 1. 10 seconds shot clock. Bedoya, no good. Number 56. Pass number 4, Ildeso for 3. No good. Foul number 56. Number 56. Third personal foul, first team foul.
Third na yun ah.
Last
Number
quarter.
56, third personal foul, first team foul.
Fourth na. Kaya namin third personal. Third personal foul.
Third personal foul.
Barresa, pass to Bedoya. Pass number 1, foul. Number
99.
99.
Oh, 99.
99 foul. Third personal.
Third.
Number 99, third personal foul, second team foul. Foul, number 99.
Technical.
Number 99, warning for technical foul.
Warning ba? Warning?
Oh, warning.
Number 99, decision. Number 99, fourth personal fouls, third team foul. Shooting 2. For the first shot, no good. Second shot, basket. 14 seconds shot clock. Pass number 12, Bacaresa. No good. Intenso, attacking. No good. Pass number 1, no good. Rebound by number 4. Intenso, pass number 56. Back to number 4, Intenso for 3. 3 points by Intenso. Score 45-36. 10 seconds shot back. Number 5 attacking. And 1. Go left. 31. 31 seconds to Score 47-36.
Penalty na. 5 na.
Penalty na ang Dark.
First set. No good. Rebound by number 4. Intenso. Out of bounds. Main time, 5 minutes. Number 41. Basket by number 41. Technical, number 99. Number 99, technical.
Oh, sir, ikaw na lang gusto mo? Oh.
Technical number 99.
Out siya pero technical out sa bench. Na technical siya sa bench.
Walang push na to.
Meron. Bawal na siya 5. Graduate na siya. Kasi running time. 3 minutes mag-stack na. Yeah, pag sinabi na rep na stop, saka lang namin yung stop.
Bacaresa. 10 seconds shot clock. Pass to Bacaresa. Bacaresa for 3. No good. Rebound by number 1 and 1, 2 points. Number 56. Number 56. Number 56 moving the ball. Pass to number 4. Number 4. 10 seconds shot clock. Number 56. Pass to number 1. No good. Number 1. Number 35. Basket by number 35. Time out. Perfect game. 12-point lead. Score 54-36.
54-36 eh. So 18 points na yan. Kailangan tuloy-tuloy na yan.
18 point lead. Tuloy-tuloy na po.
I-stop natin. Kasi 18 points lang naman.
20, kapag 15.
Kayo,
20 point lead ba?
15. Kasi crucial yan.
Back to the ball game.
perfect catch.
On the penalty. Number 24, number 43, no good. Rebound line. Number 2. Vanessa, 2 points. Tuloy-tuloy number 12. 3 points by number 12. Number 1. Number 1 moving the ball. Sealed by number 24. Number 24, bring pass to Del Mundo. Del Mundo. 3 points, so good. Rebound. Number 12. Number 12, moving the ball.
Last 2 minutes, number 35. No good.
Rebound by number 12, out of bounds. Next time, 1 minute and 51 seconds. Number 2, with the ball. Pass number 1, no good. Number 11 for 3, no good. Rebound left, out of bounds.
Hmm? 31. 31. 13 and 31.
Number 25, pass number 12,
Number 9. Number 9. 2 points by number 9.
Redeso, 2 points by Redeso.
2 points Redeso.
Number 35,
Pass to number 9. Number 9. No good. Number 9 pass to number 12. Number 35.
2 points by number 25.
Steal by number 2. 56 seconds. Donya for 3.
No good.
Rebound by Ildemoso for 3.
No good. Rebound by number 35.
35. 35 attacking.
All the way, 2 points.
Yes, number 4.
Pass number 12, number 12. No good. Rebound, 2 points.
2 points by number 31.
Number 2.
Number 1.
Pass number 1.
For 3. 3 points. See again.
Number 4, Redeso. Pass number 31. Number 31, 3. No good. Number 12, 2 seconds. Number 12.
3 points by number 12. Score 65-46. Investing. Good job. Good job.
Okay, best player.
Bentong. Bentong.
Betong.
Best player, Benton.